Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Co. We have already created a video on Composer installation in Ubuntu. But in this video, we are doing the same step but in Centos, AlmaLinux, RockyLinux and CloudLinux. So this video is all about how to install Composer in AlmaLinux, Centos, RockyLinux and CloudLinux. The process in all this operating system is same. So let's begin with the process. Very first, we need to update our repositories. To update the repositories, we can able to use this command and hit enter. Once our repositories has been updated, so we can able to start installation of Composer. But before that, we need to install some dependencies of Composer. Enter this command. After that, we need to download Composer installer script. Before that, I will go into the temp directory and here we will download a Composer installer script. For that, we can able to use this particular command and link is already given in the description. You can able to go and use the same method. To check this, we can able to ls and here we can able to clear that composer-setup.php file has been downloaded successfully. Now it is time for download authorized signature from Composer GitHub page. Enter let me check. Okay, then use the following command, so that is this one command, and hit enter. I know this is a complicated one, but you need to just blindly follow these two steps because in this we are just verifying whether the installer is verified or installer is proper or not. So that is what this command is all about. Once this process has been completed, it is now time for installation. And for that, we can able to use this command. Here you can able to clearly see that we are using the same PHP file that we are downloaded, that is installer. Hit enter. You can see we have successfully installed 2.5.8 Composer. Once the installation completed, whether it is completed properly or not, or you can say correctly or not, so that time we can able to use this Composer command and hit enter. And you can able to see that it is showing all the Composer details, syntax. So these are available options. Once our Composer installed, it is now time to delete the unnecessary files. That is, we have downloaded the installer, so we need to delete the installer. So we can able to use this command because we just need to clear the screen. Done. You can able to see here this file is not present. We can do some basic, just for demonstration, a basic Composer usage we will try here. First, let me create a directory. After that, I will go into the directory because I am going to create a sample. Here, for the demonstration purpose, I wanted to download and use monolog package for my project. So in this case, I can directly use this command and hit enter. You can clearly see that monolog has been successfully downloaded. Let me check. Here you can able to see that composer.log file and composer.json is created in this particular directory. To see the data, I will use this command and you can able to see that we have installed monolog 3.4 version. Now you knows how to use the modules. You knows how to use the Composer. Only one thing is remaining, how to update the Composer. I mean to say how to update Composer dependencies. To update the Composer dependencies, I can simply use this command Composer update and it will automatically detect and whatever they will do, but your Composer will automatically update the repositories. Now we have completed our entire video. If you think you need any other information about Composer or LAMP or any control panel or operating system or any server related issues, we are available 24/7. You can able to comment. We will create a video for you.